What up, YouTube? It's your boy back at it again. So today I went to the local fish market and I picked up some nice shrimp, catfish, and I also picked up some crab cakes with lobster in it, but they're in the fridge because they'll get too soft. So right here I got my catfish fillets, shrimp, I got buttermilk, and I got my pan to put it in, and some mouse seafood breader. So first I'm going to start off by just putting my seafood breader in my pan. So I got my seafood breader in here in the pan. Then I'm just going to put some obey on. I'm going to put obey on everything. Obey my buttermilk. Then we just gonna mix it all up. So yeah, y'all, we attempted to go out and try to catch some catfish. That ain't come out too good. Hey, caught 2 fish, 1 fish that was so small, the big fish that the boys caught, that one ate the little fish. Yeah, so I'm gonna insert a picture in there to show y'all what the fish look like, man. Just stir this up. Stir up my buttermilk. Alright, so first we're gonna go ahead and get our fish, put it in there. We're gonna bring it back over here in the milk. This a little messy, but I'm telling you, it's worth it, man. Now I already got my cast iron pan ready and hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this first piece in. And I'm gonna just keep completing this process over. Thanks for tuning into this video. Thanks for all the support I've been getting the last couple of days. Stay tuned. Peace out.